Hello everyone, this is your Lekkal Master Hargopal. In this video, I am going to discuss one interesting and beautiful problem from NTSE 2021 Stage 1 paper with the help of basic concepts of geometry such as equilateral triangle, length of arc of sector. Only with the help of these concepts only, very easily and elegantly you can solve this problem. So without wasting time, let me introduce the question first of all. Later on we will move for the solution. Three wheels of diameter 7 centimeter were placed something like this. Every wheel is touching other two wheels like this. So all the three wheels are identical to each other. For every wheel diameter is 7 centimeter. Now if a belt was wrapped which covers all the three wheels, they are asking what would be the length of that belt. Such a simple looking problem, but still you are supposed to find out this length of belt in very elegant way. Why? Because if you separate that belt shape here, you can see something which looks like a triangle, but it is not triangle. Why? Because at every vertex you can see something like a circular arc here. So now we are supposed to find out the length of this particular shape or the perimeter of this particular shape. As this knot comes under in any particular shape, definitely we are supposed to find out this length in some other way. So for that, what I am doing here, whatever the centers clearly you can see here, we assume as something as P, Q, R. So now P and Q, if you join, as we know the diameter of every wheel is 7 centimeter, definitely radius is going to be 7 by 2 centimeter. On joining these two, you are going to get the distance between these two centers is 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2, which is nothing but 2 times of radius, which is nothing but 7 centimeter only. Similarly, if you join QR and if you join this one also, you are going to get 7 centimeter. So we got an equilateral triangle PQR. We know that in equilateral triangle, every angle is going to be 60 degrees. We keep in that mind. So now to find out this length of belt, what I am doing here, from every center, I am just dropping 2 radii, something like this. So what you are going to get from these foots of perpendiculars, if you join these two foots of perpendiculars, you are going to get a line segment which is a common tangent for these two circles. For here also these two circles, common tangent, common tangent. So now it is very easy to calculate the length of that common tangent here. Why? Because all the three circles are identical. So now what you are going to get, if you observe carefully this particular quadrilateral here, as here angles are 90, 90 and these two are equal, clearly we can say this is going to be a rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Definitely this common tangent length is going to be 7 centimeter only. If this is 7 centimeter, definitely the remaining two common tangents lengths also going to be 7 centimeter. Now we are supposed to find out this length of arcs here at the three places. Now to find out that length of arc, we must know the angle between these two radii. For that, what I am doing here, so as we know these two are rectangles and here angle going to be 90, here also angle going to be 90 at P, and as PQR is an equilateral triangle, at P you can see clearly 60 degrees. Now as we know angle at center is 360 degrees. Now this is 90, this is 60 and this is 90. Definitely the leftover angle should be 120 degrees. Now this length of arc clearly you can find out. Why? Because we have both the radii and the angle between the radii. Simply you can find out this length of arc. But before going to find out this one, this length of arc is same as the remaining two places also. But if you join together all the three lengths of arc, clearly you can form a complete circle of radius 7 by 2. Simply you can find out the circumference of this complete circle to find out the three lengths of arc individually. So the length of belt is going to be 3 times of common tangent plus circumference of the one circle. Clearly you can see. So 3 times of common tangent is nothing but 3 into 7 and the circumference of any circle is going to be 2 pi r, which is nothing but 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2. So if you simplify, you are going to get 21 plus 22, which is nothing but 43 centimeter is going to be the length of belt which wraps all the three identical wheels of diameter 7 centimeter. So my dear children, this is one of the most beautiful and simple problem and elegant solution also. Hope you understand this problem completely. In the next video, we'll meet with another interesting problem. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Your Lekkala Master Hargopal.